good evening. There'll be some late sunshine for many southern areas this evening, and those clearer skies will push northwards, leading many of us into a much better day on Saturday. So some cloud and rain across northern areas, still continuing drizzly rain mainly. It's fairly light, but it will persist across the far north of Scotland through much of the night. But elsewhere it turned much clearer, so clear skies for many, perhaps a bit of mist and fog across central areas where the ground is wet from recent rainfall. And with those clear skies, it's actually going to be a fairly cold night, particularly compared to recent nights. So many towns and cities around 8 or 10 degrees, but actually where you see the greens on the maps, we could be down as low as 3 degrees across parts of Wales and England by Saturday morning. But it is going to be a bright start to the day. So even though it will be chilly overnight, I think temperatures actually will pick up quite quickly because of the sun shining. It's quite strong at this time of year. UV levels are high when the sun does shine. And for many of us, it should be a dry, warmer day than yesterday through Saturday. There are a few exceptions to that. There's actually an area of rain to watch across eastern areas of England. Could likely move into parts of Lincolnshire, Norfolk as well. It could turn quite heavy into Saturday afternoon. So here it could be a bit of a cloudy and damp afternoon. But for most of us, I think sunny spells through the day. Highs of around 22 degrees in the south, closer to 19, 18 degrees in the north. So definitely warmer than it has been throughout Friday. But across the southwest, notice we do have the next band of quite showery, potentially heavy rain moving in. So it will turn a bit wetter from the southwest through Saturday evening. So the sunshine is going to be fairly short-lived through the weekend as this band of rain pushes north and eastwards through the night. We'll also see that rain from southeastern areas of England push into parts of Scotland, northern England as well. So quite a couple of areas of persistent rainfall affecting central areas of the UK. Across the southwest, we'll turn a little bit clearer first thing on Sunday just for a time, but I think most of us can expect some showery outbreaks of rain through the night. But the one benefit of that is going to be a milder night. Temperatures much closer to where they have been overnight recently. So a milder but a much more unsettled start to the day on Sunday. Outbreaks of rain will continue through the day as well. I think across northern areas it's likely to stay quite cloudy through the day. Outbreaks of rain, not particularly heavy for most of us, but there is a chance of some heavier outbursts, particularly across southern areas of Scotland and Northern Ireland. And for England and Wales, there'll be a mix of sunny spells and heavy downpours. Now those downpours could turn thundery as well, and we could see up to 30 millimetres of rain falling in one place if you do see a couple of showers covering the same area. And because of the recent rainfall, that could cause some localised issues. Now, not all of us will see the showers, so if you are lucky enough to dodge the showers through Sunday, it won't actually be too bad a day. Highs of around 18 or 19 degrees. Lighter winds means that it won't feel too bad in the sunshine, but I think most of us will notice quite a difference between Saturday and Sunday, particularly across many areas of England and Wales. So a bit more of an unsettled day on the cards on Sunday, and it's going to stay fairly unsettled into Monday as well. The bank holiday Monday looks like we'll have low pressure still nearby. The rain becomes a bit more restricted to eastern areas by the end of the day on Monday as a ridge of higher pressure builds in from the west. So actually I think there's a chance of some sunshine, some dry weather across western areas to end the day on bank holiday Monday. But again, it's short-lived as the next area of low pressure is arriving for the rest of the half-term week. So a few changes on the way. Make sure you keep up to date with all our latest forecasts on YouTube by subscribing. Bye-bye.